In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create price tags, sales tags, and name tags in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing for a sale, organizing an event, or simply adding a personal touch to a presentation, creating professional looking tags is a great skill to have. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring that everyone, from beginners to more advanced users, can follow along and create stunning tags with ease. First things first, let's open PowerPoint on your computer. This is your canvas and it's a tool where creativity meets functionality. Once you have PowerPoint open and ready, navigate to your existing presentation or begin a new one. Once you've done that, we're ready to add some visual flair. Next, head over to the Insert tab located in the menu at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find the option to add shapes, text, and more. Click on Shape, which allows you to choose from a variety of pre-made geometric shapes. For this project, select the rectangle rounded snipped corner. This shape works perfectly for tags as it has a professional and attentive design. Draw this shape onto the slide by clicking and dragging to your desired size. With that shape selected, click on the Shape Format tab. This tab gives you numerous styling options to enhance your tag. From here, click on Shape Effects. This option provides decorative elements like shadows and 3D rotations. For our tags, we're going to choose Bevel, which gives the shape a 3-dimensional edge. Select the bevel style that you think complements your design the best. Now let's make the tags more informative by adding text. Click inside the shape and type whatever you'd like it to say. This could be a name, a product description, or a sale price. Now highlight the text you've just entered to make it pop. Go back to the Shape Format tab and select Text Effects, then navigate to Bevel again. Choose a bevel effect that aligns with the look and feel of your overall design to give your text a lifted, polished appearance. To complete the tag design, let's add a string that would virtually attach your tag to an item. Return to the Insert tab and once again click on Shape. This time choose Curve. This tool allows you to draw a curved line, creating the illusion of a string hanging or attaching the tag. Click the starting point of the curve inside the tag, drag the line outside the tag, and click again to set it in place. Once you've drawn the curve, navigate to the Shape Format tab. From here, select Shape Outline and adjust its weight to make the curve look more like string or rope. You can experiment with different weights until you find the perfect balance that matches your design. And there you have it, a custom, professional looking tag made entirely in PowerPoint. This technique is not only versatile but also allows for endless customization options. Feel free to play around with colors, fonts, and additional effects until your tags perfectly fit your needs. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you experiment, the more skilled you'll become. Happy designing!